Hello, my name is Teresa Smith, and I'm the CEO of Dreams for Change. Today we have the Eastlake Rotary Club here at our safe sleeping site, located just outside of downtown. They are generous enough to bring not only some blankets for our clients, but hygiene packs, some pizza, and some cake. These type of opportunities really mean a lot to our clients in many different ways. Not only the blankets to help them keep warm and the hygiene packs to help with their hygiene, but really bring in a sense of that community and that others really do care about their well-being and what's going on with their lives. So we do thank the Rotary Club for being a part of our site and really bringing that joy to the clients that we serve.
I'm very grateful for everybody that volunteered, came and supported us. Everybody was hands-on. Support was just overwhelming today. It was just, so many people that came out to support my project, to help out the homeless. Very proud and very happy of everybody that, participated today. Family, friends, everybody that donated, either by funds or blankets for care packages. It meant a lot for each individual person that took a blanket today or a slice of pizza. It made a big difference for them today. What will they eat tomorrow? We don't know, but we were able to help a lot of people today.
I'm very, very hopeful that this particular facility here with the tents and so forth, which keeps us out of the cold, not as much as we would like to be out of it, but at least we got something over our heads at night, and we have safety. But for the most part, I'm really thankful for this particular project, and the Rotary people are great. They've always been, I'm familiar with them. They've been very giving and supportive of people that are less fortunate. And that's a godsend, And for the most part, hey, I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.